king mackerel. Oh, 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 oh. Give me the knockout, give me knockout, quick. Alright people, see that now, trolling again this morning, yeah? Alright Darren, you have to take the paddle and paddle out to me when we push off the boat. Paddle from that side, right, that's the first that it goes, so I'm going to take off the rope and go in. Oh, yeah man, same, paddle man. The next side. This is how we do it. Oh, that net that right there. The net, you know? Yeah. I want to try to go. Oh, next side. Pad. Balancing up on camera straight. Now put on the engine. Alright, so. Which part?
Right this way.
This one look at thing right. I look and one buckle up on that too. Alright, me know, I go through the middle right there so.
Yeah.
Come on man, don't do that. Come on. Started. Huh? Just move off, you know. You can't hear my voice? I hope so. Don't burn because the engine cut my range, brother. What? Yeah, put down. Something alright with it. I can't shut it off because it goes and stay at that speed there. You know what I'm saying? So you don't take up the gas, yeah? Fish on, brother, fish on. But at the same time, people, just get a hook up on the boat. At the same time, the engine, some just rang with the engine a while ago, I don't know what happened to it. It just lose power. So I have to go down the dock there and go check it. But when I go down a while ago, I get a hook up, you know, so. Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah, maybe. I choose me drive, that's why I don't have to keep it like this because I can't stop the engine because I don't know. Yeah. Feel like a jack. Hold it, step out and then you can put it in the ice pack. Yeah, people see him there now, jack Creval, just look him up, but the boat will give me some trouble, so I have to just go in. Go check it and see how I don't know what I'm doing, to lose whole power. See that? Nah move. See it? Nah move at all. So I have to go in back and right up the side, dock the boat and check it out and see. There I pull him up there tonight. So people, see there now, a little piece of plastic wrap up around the propeller, and that messed up the engine a while ago. You see that? You see what can cause trouble, man? Eh? A little piece of plastic. I tell you, you know. I'm gonna check the propeller still, see if it damage the propeller, you know. Alright, not like it do no damage thing. Let me see now. Starting back. Reverse. Alright. Take him back out now, people. Take him back out. Right? I'll try it again. And the plastic plate, you know. Propeller, alright, yeah. So the propeller, alright, right? So I'm see now.
Stop this now.
Put the pliers now that time. Put the pliers down like this.
Let's go on this, let it. Alright,
so it's a piece of plastic cars before coming in a while ago, man. One little piece of full plastic. Eh? Can you imagine that? Yeah man, good to go. Start back alright and things so. Alright people, so here what now, I go back out again because I never know what happened to the engine, so I have to come near to shore, you know. That in case of anything with the near shore. I can't take no check out this because I don't see nobody out of it. Give me a little assistance right now. So I have to just come in near to shore and check it to see it alright, a piece of plastic cause it. So I just pull off the plastic, check the propeller if it's alright and look alright, so I go back out again. Let me see now, maximum power. Alright. See that now? Yeah man. Alright, so maximum power again. Come on from the line now man. So there now, so yeah. Neutral up the engine, make it go on track. Remember down this pole? That's what I fish on. Well, Darren, fight him, Darren. Fight him. Look like a kingfish still now, Darren. I'm come in easy, yeah. Yes, Darren, pan the hook up. Fish on every time, take your time, don't make him get to escape. A long time I carry him on this side right as well. Carry him on the left side here, so yeah, right. make us see something. Look kinda easy, fairly easy, unless it's a small jack, but you know jack would have give a harder fight than that. Unless him small, you know. When I bring him closer, I see what kind of fish. Sometimes the jack them go on like the small jack them fight almost like king, you know. Can't see nothing yet. Oh, jack. You see my go down, so? Sometimes kingfish that, you know, but the big one them.
Yeah, jack.
Jack. That's a jack creval, man. Them little creval the business there, I say. Bring one up to me. Bring one to me. Bring a rat to me. This can't come at him. Alright people, see me now. Jack creval every time.
Yeah man, jack. Fish on!
Fish on every time. Darren won this, you know.
Yeah.
Don't want to hold him up, Darren? I don't want to hold him.
Alright, yeah man.
Really
Fish
see
on!
the man, Darren.
Yeah man. Icicle 5 pounder.
Yeah man, look good. It's a good look. See where I'm going for the storm. Jacko! No? No! Back foot a king. Take time. We can't make him get away. Hold on. Keep him on the side. Keep him up, bring him up somewhere. King mackerel. Whoa. Ah, Darren, kingfish. I know we can find a kingfish.
Yeah, no, we gonna find it.
Put me out. Him big thing, you know.
But the weather seems to. We tell you the weather they kind of look like it like go all up in the mid-morning.
Oh, this go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, nice kingfish, brother. Nice one. Darren, nice kingfish has an up on him, man. Can see him there. How him look? Him look good?
Yeah, man. Him look good.
Yeah, man. Darren kingfish that, you know. Beautiful kingfish. How much him weigh, Darren, up on it?
12.
12 pounds? Got the scale up on it, you know.
Yeah, man. The scale me I look for.
Oh.
Over 12 pounds, I think it be.
Alright, have to go take out some of them things. Hold them. Take out the ice them and put them on bottom. I know size one. Man, what of it, man? Yeah. I'll leave to pick up on my own, that's why my own I go and see like I eat it, you know. Yeah, leave. Alright people, so we soon come back, alright? What is that? Fish on? Every time. Every time, man, I tell you. Fish on! Yeah, take out. Yeah, man, fish on, man. Come on, boy. Where you going, really? Come here, boy. Come here. My turn. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Find the deep dive, find a boy. Come here. My king has my shake his head there. My king has.
Take it up.
No, what a good bait this, you know, this always catch him, you know, man.
You looking at him back?
Ah, boy, I tell you, that one to get away, man. That one to just get away from me. Deep diver, watch him, man. Show, man. Sure. Rasta no.
Works are hard.
Sure, what I tell you? Man, that's a kitchen. Yeah, dear. Come here, boy. Come here, man. There what? Kingfish? Come here. I don't know what it is. I think it's a hijack. Oh, you hear that one there? Sean, every time, you know, every time. Wow, whoa, whoa. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you take it off in the first place, but remember, okay, but shit, whoa, 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 don't do that, don't do that. The slack me, I'm a drag, but slack me, no, man. So, I don't want him to take off, you know. Come. Get him.
But me hook him, but I don't know him get off. I hook him a while ago. You see you drive out of the water.
Rastafari.
Come like a jack. It's small, it's hard.
Alright, people, see me now. The baby one, this is now.
Little 4 pound.
You know that. So guys, this is it, you know. Yeah, this is it. Come on, said this is it now. End of the fishing adventure. Why? Hard day trolling me, I tell you. But anyhow, you know, it never so bad still, you know. We catch fish. Catch all someone and get to them, release themselves and thing, you know. But see this bait here? One bad bait, you know, rapala. Them old time. I would, you know, so I would make a bait here, board.
Eh?
I wouldn't bait, you know.
Okay, Bassa wood.
Yeah, man, the wooden bait. Yeah.
And they make them like so again.
No, the old time rapala this, but I tell you, say, go on with things. Get strike and Lego and them bounce it and, but I don't know, them just hold on to it today. But the next time you're going to use it and you're going to see something. But it's good, man, nice bait. Yeah, so people, I eat that, you know. Pack up now and go in.
Yeah, man.
Pack up and go in, man, definitely a pack up. And, wow, I see the catch there, you know. See them here, Darren big kingfish this. My jack or Darren jack, and this is my small kingfish. So 2 jack and 2 kingfish, people. Alright? So you know, so we still catch something.
2 apiece.
Yeah, 2 apiece. And we have enough for Lego. So if we catch them, then you know how it go. So anyhow, people, take care, alright? And all the best. Always remember to like, share and subscribe, alright? So we see you guys in the next one. Fish on every time. Right, Darren?
Yeah, man, fish on
Every time. Respect. See you guys in the next adventure. We're out of here.